All right, happy Friday, folks. Welcome back. It's been a relatively quiet overnight session, even as Russia continues to make its way further into Ukraine, closing in on the capital, Kyiv. So we've seen the markets overnight after that absolutely nuts day yesterday with a relatively quiet session. Stock market futures have been very quiet. They're slightly green on the day. FX this morning, seeing a little bit of dollar weakness, so seeing that euro and pound notably perk up. Over in oil, flatlining at the moment, right at, let's just check the most recent price, $93 a barrel. So that's up 20 cents or so. So no big moves in oil. Gold hanging in just shy of $1,900 an ounce. So again, very, very quiet session. For those who traded yesterday, you'll recall that at one point in time, we were down to the tune of about 2.5%. So we were seeing a lot of pressure off this Russia-Ukraine news. After the lunchtime hour, reversed course and traded higher, ended up closing higher on the day. So a lot of volatility, folks. It's still here, not going anywhere. In the long term, these opportunities have provided, or these geopolitical events have provided nice buying opportunities. But again, here at Nadex, we trade short-term moves, everything from 5 minutes to weekly. So we're looking for those short-term moves, and that's exactly what we're getting over the past couple of days. And it's likely the case we see much of the same today and over the course of the next couple of days. So there should be ample trading opportunities to trade some price action. So that said, hope everybody's had a great week. Let's have a great weekend. For those of you who are in the markets and are trading, make sure we're focused on our positions. Make sure we're in tune with what's going on in the news. Doesn't take much right now to shake these markets up, and we've got to be ready for it. You saw that yesterday, so be ready. Make sure you're focused in on what you're doing. None of this set it and forget it stuff, because it's very likely you could find yourself in a precarious position. So have that great weekend. We'll see you folks again on Monday. Take care.